time. And using this lecture, you will able to utilize the event structure very well. Okay, so now let's start. In this so today I am going to show you how many type of event controller you can design. Okay, so in this condition, here I am going to create some logic. My one of the logic will be my one of the logic uh, will be increment. Okay, so for that I will take an increment function. Okay, so my one of the logic which I will write, that will be increment. Here I'm going to write increment. Clear? It is my one logic. Clear? Now another logic I want to take, and that will be a decrement logic. It is another logic which I am taking here, and it is decrement logic. Now here I am taking one more logic, and that is stop. Now here I am taking one more concept, and that is the stop button. Here I am taking one more logic, that will be a clear. C-L-E-A-R, clear. C-L-E-A-R, clear. All this logic here I am taking right now. Clear? Increment, decrement, stop button, and clear. I have 4 logic here. Now I want to generate some data. So here I am taking one more, G-E-N-E-R-A-T, generate. Here I am going to store the data. Sorry. After 2 to 3 days, again we will use the event structure to control real-time data acquisitions and algorithm, right? So here when it will be when the system will ready to work, then we'll create a new functions or new control, new functions and new control. Now here I am taking one more function right now, and that is my okay store, sto, or save save. Now let's take one more, display. So how many user action right now you are able to see? We have the various user action, you can see here. Various user action I have. Now I want to create a user control programming environment where user can control the execution of order and the execution of a, a subdiagram. So for that, first of all, I will take a while loop. Why I'm taking a while loop? Because I want to run all the functions continuously one by one. Now right click here, I am taking one event structure and placing this. If user will not enter any information for 10 seconds, So system will terminate himself automatically. Okay. Then system will terminate himself automatically if user will not perform any action for 10 seconds. So system will terminate himself automatically. That's why I had given time out. Right click, add event case. My first event case is increment. Click here and press OK. Click, keep it inside. Keep the increment button here. Replace with the shift register. Make a connection. Okay. Now you can create an indicator here. Come here. Add a event structure. Add a event case. भाई धीरे धीरे करना, आवाज मत करना. Then decrement. Okay. Take this decrement function inside. Place here. Clear. Decrement keep inside here. Right click. Come here. Add event. New. That is clear. Okay. And inside the clear, I am going to keep it create constant 0. Create constant 0. Now here I am going to create one more event. Save. Sorry. Stop. So here I am taking the stop event. When I will press the stop button, so it will stop my program completely, terminate my program. Now here I am going to write one program to generate some data. So here I am going to keep the generate data. Now here I am going to keep it inside. थोड़ा धीरे कर ले भाई, तब से बोल रहा हूँ, धुकुर धाकड़ करते रहता है. धीरे कर ले, कुछ काम कर रहा हूँ.
ओके, है कुछ?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Okay, now here I am going to use one data generator. Create control. Now you will enter the data size. You will enter the data size here. Clear? And date for the data size. Here I am going to use this random number generator. Clear? And label. Come here. Come to the front panel. Take a waveform. Chart. Either you can take a waveform graph also. So let's take a waveform graph. Okay. Let's take a waveform graph. Clear? Now here I am keeping it. Either you can say here I am keeping it. I'm going to keep this one. Create a shift register. Come here. Create a shift register. Make a connection for it. If you want, so you can generate all the data here. It is a better way to control the algorithm. Come into the increment. Make a connection like this. Come into the decrement. Make a connection like this. Come into the clear. Create constant. Come into the stop. Generate. Great. Clear? Now here I am going to take one more functions. Add event. And here I am taking a saved functions. Right click, come here, take a read measurement file and place here. Sorry, I have chosen the wrong one. Write measurement file, write measurement file. In the form of Excel, I am targeting my PC, document, and summer training, day 23. Let's create one more, day 28. Event data. Okay, press OK button. When you will connect this one, so it will come automatically. Clear? Right click, add event case, display, read measurement file. Okay, and here we can only display the LBM and TDMS. So problem is here. My program can only read and write LVM program. Clear? So now double click and open. Come there, click here, come to the document, summer training, day 28, and whatever the file I want to check. I will solve this the case later. Now Can I run my program? Hmm. Now here I am going to run the program. Run. I am going to press the stop button. Stop. Now I want to count the loop run time. How many times the loop has been run? Loop run. Till I will not press any button, my system will wait for a event. And after the waiting that event, system will terminate himself automatically. Now you will see. Now my system is waiting because I am not okay till next 10 seconds. If I will not perform any task, so system will terminate himself. Now you can see system has terminated himself automatically. Now I am going to run the program, and when I will press the increment, so now you can see the numeric has been increased. Again increment, loop, decrement, 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 generate. I'm not display. Okay, I am getting the error. No issue. Generate. So what is the problem we are facing on the generate? Let's see. Run the program and click the generate. Hmm. And now you can see my system is generating the value, but there is only one issue. There is only one issue. You can see the data. The data size is 0. Now I'm going to write the data size 100. Run the program. Increment, decrement, increment, decrement, increment, decrement, increment, decrement, increment, 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 increment. Loop will run when you will press the run button. Generate, generate, clear all. You will find all the data has been clear. Numeric data and generated data. Clear. Numeric data, generate data. Increment data, increment data, increment data, increment data, increment data, increment data, increment data. Okay, clear. Clear. Stop. Now, in the clear, if I want to clear my data size, clear. Sorry, let's come to the display generate first. Look at here what I am trying to do. Right click, come into the create, click a local variable. Local variable, right click in the loop run, click here and come into the local variable. Clear. Right click, create constant 0. Right click, create constant 0. Okay. Now here I am going to change one thing. Change one thing. Generate. Save. I am going to save my data in the LVM format. And in display, I am going to target that LVM file. Event data. Why? I will show you. Give me a moment only. Run. increment, 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 decrement, 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 generate, clear, clear. Now you can see I am not able to clear my this data. Let's see why. When I will press to clear. Okay, because I didn't place my data inside the clear. So where it is? Where it is? Stop button. Yeah, it's inside this. Okay, so it was the mistake. Clear. Hmm. Let's come here. Run. Increment, 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 decrement, generate. Clear. Okay. Loop run. I'm not able to. Okay. After this loop. Okay. After this, we will get the loop runs. If I will pass my loop run like this, so what I will do? So what I will get? Let's see. Hmm. Increment, 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 decrement, decrement, decrement. I am not getting any data on the loop run. Okay. So I cannot completely erase the loop run by this normal programming. So for that, I have to do something else. When we will go deep on the LabVIEW programming, and when we will able to learn about this invoke node, property node, and local variable properly. At that time, I will explain how can we eliminate, or how can we uh, okay this how can okay how can we clear the array, how can we clear the loop runtime count. Okay, so now come to this example display. Let's go there and browse your data from day 22. LVM data is not available. Why? Let's see where we are getting the where we are storing the LVM data. Save. Okay, we are getting the LVM data inside summer day 28 LVM. Okay, great. Let's check here. Mhm. Now run the program and run the program. Increment, increment, decrement, generate, generate, generate. Okay, why I'm not able to generate? Because data size is 0. Give the data size and run. Okay, I can give the data size 0 and click the generate. Save data. Now we had saved the data. Now I'm going to stop the program, come into the data read, means display, and let's target that folder. Run the program. Clear. Display. If I will generate, save. Okay. Run the program. Generate. Generate. Save. Display. Clear. generate, save, display. Okay, generate, save, display. Okay, argument functions calling stuff. Okay, I will work on it and I will fix it and I will let you know on tomorrow's class. Okay, at that time, please inform me. So it is event based program. Your program will wait for the user's interaction